Right, so we're ready to do the actual desoldering of the old potentiometers. Now there's lots of things online about people how they remove these, soldering wick, and some people cut them apart, and there's a lot of people that struggle a heck of a lot with these. Let me just turn that off for 2 ticks. We've got the fume extractor because this is quite a smoky, fumey job. So what we use is, for our JBC style soldering iron, we've got this tool, which is absolutely awesome, and that basically heats up all the pins at the same time, and then we can pull the stick out. Now I hear of people taking 20 minutes to take one of these potentiometers off. Let's see how quick this does it. Let's just put the fume extraction back on. So sorry about the noise. Right, are we ready? One. Two. Quick as that. Just hold that there until the fumes have gone. There we go. We just need to wick this up now, give it a clean down, and then it's ready for the new sticks.